Sarah, can I talk to you about something?
Of course, Isabella. What's on your mind?
Well, I've been feeling really nervous about speaking English lately. I'm afraid people won't understand me when I talk.
Oh, I see. That's a pretty common fear when learning a new language. Why do you feel this way?
Sometimes when I speak, people ask me to repeat myself or they just look confused. It makes me think that my accent or my words are wrong.
I understand how that can be frustrating. But remember, learning a new language is challenging, and it's okay to make mistakes.
I know, but it's still embarrassing. Like yesterday, I tried to ask for directions, and the person didn't understand me at all. I had to repeat myself so many times.
It sounds like a tough situation. But think of it this way. You managed to communicate in the end, right?
Yes, but it took so long. I felt like I was wasting their time.
People are usually more understanding than we think. They know you're trying your best. And many appreciate the effort it takes to speak a second language. Did they help you in the end?
They did, eventually. They were nice about it, but I still felt bad.
It's completely normal to feel that way. When I was learning Spanish, I had similar experiences. It's all part of the learning process.
Really? You had trouble too?
Definitely. I once asked for a kiss instead of a fork at a restaurant in Spain. Everyone laughed, but they also helped me understand my mistake.
That's funny. I guess mistakes happen to everyone.
Exactly. And those mistakes help us learn. The important thing is not to give up. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
I suppose you're right. I just don't want people to think I'm not trying or that I'm not smart.
No one will think that. Most people will admire your effort. And remember, if someone doesn't understand you, it's okay to repeat yourself or even use different words. It happens to everyone, even native speakers.
That's true. I guess I just need to be more patient with myself.
Absolutely. You're doing great, Isabella. How about we practice together more often? We can have conversations in English. I will help you with any words or phrases you're unsure about.
That would be wonderful, Sarah. I'd really appreciate that.
It's a deal then. You're not alone in this. We'll get through it together.
Thank you, Sarah. You've made me feel a lot better about this. You know, Sarah, it's not just the fear of not being understood. I also feel like I'll never sound like a native speaker.
It's okay not to sound like a native speaker. Your accent is a part of who you are. It shows that you speak more than one language, which is impressive.
I never thought about it that way. I guess I just want to fit in more.
You will fit in, Isabella. Having an accent doesn't mean you don't belong. It means you've worked hard to learn something new. Besides, there are so many people with different accents in English-speaking countries. It's part of what makes the language so interesting.
That's true. I hear different accents all the time. Maybe I'm being too hard on myself.
We're always our own worst critics. Trust me, people are much more focused on what you're saying than how you're saying it. And you're saying great things.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll try to remember that. What do you think I should do to improve my confidence?
Keep practicing. Speak English as much as you can. Maybe join a club or a group where you can practice regularly. Listening to English music and watching movies will help. Also, reading books can help you get more comfortable with the language.
I love watching movies. I've been watching some with English subtitles to help me learn.
That's a great idea. Maybe we can watch some movies together and talk about them afterward. It could be fun and good practice for you.
I'd love that. Do you have any movie recommendations?
How about we start with some lighthearted comedies? They're usually easier to follow and we can laugh together. Have you seen The Princess Diaries?
No, I haven't. I've heard it's really good though.
It's a lot of fun. Let's watch it together this weekend.
That sounds perfect. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. And remember, anytime you want to practice or talk about your fears, I'm here for you.
Thank you, Sarah. You're a great friend.
So are you. I'll see you in class tomorrow, Isabella. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice lessons.